You just have to look around this neighborhood in the Indian capital of New Delhi to see that leprosy still very much exists. People here suffer the lifelong effects of the disease. Many are cruelly disfigured. For centuries, sufferers have found themselves outcasts in society.
People don't speak to us easily. They hate us and won't talk to us.
Through years of concerted effort, it's almost been eradicated. But there were still more than 200,000 new cases diagnosed in 2011. Brazil, Indonesia, the Philippines, parts of Africa, and here in India are the hardest hit. Leprosy is curable, but it has to be diagnosed very early before the nerve damage takes hold in the body. Historically, it's a very difficult disease to diagnose because it mostly affects poor people in rural areas, many of whom don't even know they have it until their body has already become permanently disfigured, at which time it's too late, and then the stigma lasts forever. The challenge has always been effective early diagnosis, which is where this Brazilian company comes in. This is Orange Life, a medical laboratory in Rio de Janeiro that's producing a pioneering new test for leprosy. It's about the size of a thumb drive and works much in the same way as a pregnancy test. Crucially, it's quick, accurate, and above all, cheap. The makers hope to sell it for as little as $1.
It's a very important global issue, and the price must be low. And we are a strange company because we really believe in our mission. We really believe that we must give the chance to the people to use our test.
The test was developed by researchers in the United States. By making it cheap and simple, they hope to identify and treat new cases much more quickly.
Tests like this needs to be instituted on a global basis, and it'll be incredibly helpful in monitoring patients and diagnosing new cases and initiating a new therapy.
For the leprosy patients in India and elsewhere, the new testing method comes too late, but it's still very welcome.
The people whose hands and feet have been damaged already, they can't benefit from medication anymore. But for the people who were diagnosed early on, it's beneficial for them.
A breakthrough that will hopefully bring the world a little bit closer to finally eradicating the disease once and for all. Gabriel Elizondo, Al Jazeera, Sao Paulo.